Come along, N2, we've got a special train to work today. What is it? It's the Railway Society. They're having a tour of the shunting yards. Shunting yards? Whatever for? Beats me, but they're waiting. Come along. Oh, what are you doing, N2? I'm pulling a Railway Society special. What? I should be pulling that sort of train. We're going to the shunting yard. Oh, well, you can take it then. Must be off. The station master arrived and looked worried. You need to be careful, N2. A weather report has just come in to say there's strong winds today. We will be careful, station master. Good. Right away from the guard. That was when the wind picked up. Welcome to Shuntingdale Shunting Yards. I'm the foreman and I'll be showing you round today. The wind picked up and N2 noticed a truck moving. Oh, driver, the wind has just moved that truck. Never, N2. Your eyes must be playing tricks on you. N2's eyes were not playing tricks on him, as the truck moved once more as a strong gust of wind pushed it towards the Railway Society. This is a buffer stop. It stops the trucks if they should run away. Then a big strong gust of wind moved the truck down the line. Look out! Look out! Quick move!
Derailed.
Is everybody safe? Asked the yard foreman. Luckily, everybody was. But then a strange crunching and groaning sound could be heard. N2 looked up in horror as the yard's old chimney swayed until it began to crack and crumble.
Oh, I'm on you. Oh, ah!
Luckily, no one was hurt. Well, apart from me, that is. Duchess brought the breakdown train to clear away the mess. Well, you were right, N2, about the truck. Its brakes failed, that's why it began to move.
Anybody got a plaster or paracetamol? I've got such a headache.
You've got a headache? Well, I've just had a chimney fall on me. N2 took the Railway Society home on a brake van special.